Welcome to the Tech Piano Player Kid, where you will find piano tutorials, technology demonstrations, audio game demonstrations and more. Thanks for watching. Now, let's start the video.
Recording.
What's up, everybody? The Tech Piano Player Kid here, and as you can tell, I am using a different screen reader voice.
Stop recording.
Why? Well, let me show you why. So let me go and open VoiceOver Utility.
VoiceOver Utility.
And
VoiceOver Utility Categories. Utility Category in Verbosity.
we'll go to Speech.
Speech.
Excuse me, Speech.
Speech. Out of voice. Pronunciate. Mutes. Customize. Add language. But custom in English. Voice. Rate. Language. English. Voice. Ava voice pop-up button.
Okay.
Menu check mark.
Now let's go to Olivia.
Olivia. InfoVox. iVox. HQ.
And VoiceOver crashes. See? Doesn't do anything. So we'll go back to Ava. And you can tell VoiceOver just absolutely crashes. It just doesn't do anything. So we even go back to Ava, it still crashes. So we turn VoiceOver off. Turn VoiceOver back on.
Ava.
Oops. Hang on.
VoiceOver on VoiceOver.
And there we go. So
Caps lock on.
why? Oops.
Caps lock off.
Why is this?
QuickTime play. QuickTime player.
Let me mute my. Here we go. So why is this? Well, according to this, it's because of the new macOS BigSur update. Now, for those of you who use the Acapella TTS from Assistiveware, I believe it is, InfoVox, iVox, if any of you use this, you're probably wondering, will this ever be fixed? Yes, it will be. Oh, that's what they say. They should be releasing an update this week to fix this. So once that update is released, I will definitely make a video and show you how to update that, which is actually really simple. So for the time being, I'm gonna have to use the other one of the other voiceover voices. VoiceOver voices. That is a tongue twister. VoiceOver voices, VoiceOver voices, VoiceOver voices, VoiceOver whatever. Anyway, and also I have made a new intro for my YouTube live streams and premieres I'm going to be using. The normal piano music that you hear with the Heather voice, that will still be my main intro for my normal videos, but for my premieres and live streams, when I do get to do live streams, will be something else. What is it, you may ask? You will see. I'm going to leave it as a surprise. All I would say is something that I got from Music Radio Creative. I want to say thank you very much to that. Yeah, you don't want to know how much I paid for that. You don't want to know, guys. Yeah, let's just say it was a lot. And my dad got me on about it. Just because I spent a lot on it. But anyway, not the point of this video. So that's that. And I was going to do a video on how to install macOS BigSur, but that didn't happen because something happened. So to install macOS BigSur, all you have to do is, first of all, make a backup of your computer. Yes, you have to. You don't have to, but it's a good idea to make a backup. If you don't, bad things may happen. For instance, your computer may go and you lose everything. Doesn't mean it will, but it could happen. And then you're in trouble. So that's why you always have a backup. Once you say, yeah, I have a backup, everything's good, double check to make sure. And if you do, cool. Then you go to System Preferences, go to Software Update, and click on the Upgrade Now button. Now, if you say, oh, well, mine doesn't have that, then my first question is, well, when did you get your Mac? And then you'll say something like, I'll say 2012 or something like that. I'm like, okay, well, you have a 2012 model. I'm like, okay, well, your Mac is not compatible. And if you say, well, I want to have this, I'm like, well, then you have to get a new computer, essentially. So that's what you have to do. So I will do a premiere at some point, guys. I just have to think what I should do it on. If you guys have any questions or any suggestions on what can I do my premiere on, let me know. because right now I can't really do live streams on game playing. I mean, I guess I could do a gameplay on my Premiere, but I have to find a good day that I can do that so I can stay on here because, with school going on and stuff, I wanted to be on there to answer any questions and all that kind of stuff. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. And feel free to share my channel with others who may be interested. And if you have any video requests, please go under the About section. And there you will see a link that says Forms. To video requests or just video requests. I can't remember which one it is. I think it's just video requests. You'll click on that. This will open to you on a new tab or a new section, which you will forward a form with your with information, just your name, your email address, which some of you may be uncomfortable. The reason why I'm asking this is because if I have any questions about your request, you can I can email you and say, hey, I asked and noticed that you wanted a request on this. What do you exactly want me to do? Example, someone says, hey, I want you to do more with the alarm system on the keypad. Okay. You say that, then I may email you and say, okay, what do we need to do on the keypad? Like, you show you how to arm or disarm or change a code or something like that. And yeah, don't worry, guys. I am not going to hand out your email address. I would never do that in the first place because, it's, that's not right. So that's that. Also, guys, I have my own podcast. For those of you who listen to podcasts, mine is on, it's on Audible Podcasts. Yes, it is on Audible. I don't know if it's on Amazon Podcasts, but I think it is. It is definitely on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Spotify, Breaker, Public Radio, whatever the heck that is. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's some other podcasts. You just search for The Blind Tech Talk. Now, make sure, again, The Blind Tech Talk. If you guys can't find it, just email me at thetechpianoplayerkid@gmail.com. Let me know what your preferred listening platform is, and I can send you a direct link to it. So that's it for this video. Again, any questions, let me know, and I'll see you all later in the next video. God bless you all, and peace. The Tech Piano Player Kid is out.
Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow my Twitter, which is linked to my channel. For more questions, email me at thetechpianoplayerkid@gmail.com.